Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to enter the DFU mode that stands for Device Firmware Update mode. That means you can go to the recovery mode with your Apple iPad Pro third session device, or that is the 2018 model, without home button. Because of this missing home button, we have to use the volume up, the volume down button, and a side button. But it's a little bit tricky. We need more. We need iTunes on computer, on Mac, or on a tablet device, as you can see in the movie. But then you have to dock it by the USB-C cable into the iTunes device while iTunes is running there. Okay, you have to start. First step is you have to start iTunes on your computer. Then you have to enter the Apple iPad to the device with iTunes still running. And then you have to start by pressing the volume up button, volume down button, and then press and hold the side button and release the side button after 10 seconds. And then you have to push and hold the side button and the volume down button together. And after this, you have to release the side button and only press the volume button. Keep pressing it. And then you have to wait until iTunes is getting you some information on the screen. After this, you are able to get a rollback with the help of iTunes on your computer device. It is a little bit tricky, but we can handle this. But first, if you have trouble with your iPad, first you go to perform a smart reset. After this, you perform if this doesn't work, you have to perform a hard reset. And if you do not have success with a hard reset, you go to the DFU mode. And this is the last chance to get life back into your iPad Pro. That is the last. After this, only the way to the Apple support is necessary. So let's do this now. We are opening iTunes on the computer. We have connected the computer and using a USB-C cable to connect. Good job. And now let's perform it. We have launched iTunes on the computer and we have everything's ready. And then we go to the site and press the volume up button immediately, followed by the volume down button immediately. Next, press and hold the side button, that is the power button, okay, until 10 seconds. After this, release the side button and then hold down both the side button and the volume down button together for approximately 5 seconds. Now, after 5 seconds, you have to release the side button, but continue pressing the volume down button. After this, we are going to wait a little bit until iTunes will get us information that there is something happened. And after this, we are able to recover our iPad. Okay? That is a little bit tricky. Really a little bit tricky. But here we go. And let's have a look what's happened on the screen. And on the screen, there will be a window. And this window will give you information. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Volume up. Volume down. Then side button. Hold it. then side button and both side button and the volume down button together for approx 5 seconds. And then side button, but you continue to press the volume down button until there comes the information. It is a little bit tricky, I think, really, but we can perform this together. Okay, let's try this. Good. Now we are in the volume down holding, and you can see, let's start it. So, perform it live on stage. We will push the volume up button, then the volume down, and then we continue everything. Let's go. Yeah, good job. Let's hold the side button for approx 10 seconds. Release the side button, and then hold down the side button and the volume down button. Good job. Now, release the side button, but continue press the volume down button. And there it is. I saw it. You seen it. We all seen it. And let's have a look. What does the screen says? You see, iPad is off, and on the screen, there it is. Information about iTunes and the DFU mode, and now you're going to roll back your iPad easily. That is a little bit tricky, but you can handle this too. I did it before. Easy going. I hope I helped you a little bit with this tutorial to get back alive in your Apple iPad the third generation device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.